Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching Coreldraw and opening the document you'll import into. Make sure your image folder is ready so you can browse without interruptions. Once the document is open, set the page size and resolution to match your output needs. This avoids scaling surprises later. Now use File Import or press Ctrl+I to open the Import dialog. Navigate to the folder, select the image, and click Import. Don't place it yet. We'll position and adjust next. After invoking Import, click on the artboard to drop the image or click and drag to define an initial size. This gives you control over placement. Once the image is placed, use the property bar to lock aspect ratio and enter exact width or height values if needed. If you need precise cropping, use the crop tool, and for color fixes, use adjust brightness/contrast/intensity. Make sure to convert to CMYK for print or keep RGB for digital. These choices affect color fidelity. To finish, decide whether to embed the image for a self-contained file or link it to keep file size small. Embed when sending to others. Use File Export to save your final graphic, choosing the right file format and color profile, and set resolution appropriate to output. If you notice color shifts or unexpected resolution issues, make sure document and image color profiles match and re-import if necessary. Relink broken files through the Edit Links dialog.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.